Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up some packs of this 1991 Upper Deck Baseball. Can you believe it's, what, 29 years ago these cards came out? We're going to be looking for a Michael Jordan short print card. We've also got the Chipper Jones rookie card and a Mike Mussina rookie card. As well as some of our stars from the early 90s, our Ken Griffey Jr.'s, Mark McGwire's, you see on the box here, Ozzie Smith, Jose Canseco, Barry Bonds, of course. So today we're going to be opening up, we're going to go with 9 packs for the 9 innings in baseball, since we can't watch games right now, right? So let's, we're going to go top left, take out these 9 packs and see what we can find. We'll open up the rest in other videos. I like to make these last since they're so old. We don't want to go through them too quickly, right? So let's get cracking and see what we can find. These are really cool foil packs. The wrapping, pretty cool for back in the day. Cards also are much higher quality than a lot of the cards printed back then. But California Angels checklist with Chuck Finley. Kind of the Upper Deck version of Diamond Kings from Donruss, if you will. Juan Gonzalez, I believe this is his second year card. We got in these packs too, they always had team stickers. Some people like to put those all over their binders back in school. Tom Glavine, this is his, I think this is like his 3rd year card. Brett Saberhagen, John Franco, former Red at the time. No big hits in that one. Rick Mailer, Tony Pena. Hey, Bernie Williams star rookie. That's a good one. That's a good hit. Leave him out. Kyle Abbott top prospect. Mark Williamson. Ellis Burks, he was a popular player back then. Joey Cora, is he the Boston Red Sox manager that just got let go? So nice Bernie Williams card. This one's giving me trouble. Hey, there's a Nolan Ryan card. There's actually some Nolan Ryan autographs we're on the hunt for as well. Pretty rare to find them, but they're worth quite a bit. That's a cool Nolan Ryan card. Star rookie, Jeff Juden top prospect. And Randy Johnson. Mariano Duncan, Shane Mack. Even today they always have cards backwards and upside down. Todd Van Poppel. That was a popular one back in the day, but never amounted to much. Eric Show. Hey, Dante Bichette. His son, Bo Bichette, with the Toronto Blue Jays, is a hot star right now. And then you got Joe Girardi. Former manager of the Yankees, new manager of the Phillies, I believe. Got 5 packs left. No bubble gum in these packs. They got the stickers instead. There's a Roger Clemens. That's a good one. Mike Gardner, star rookie. Steve Carsey. So you notice in the packs there's a rookie and a prospect. It seems like in every pack in the same spot. Billy Hatcher, popular red. I'm not sure what the odds are on the on pulling the Nolan Ryan autographs. I imagine you'd have to open quite a few. Hey, there's a Mark McGwire, the bashing years card. Hey, there we go. Chipper Jones, top prospect rookie card. That's the best rookie card in the set. Not too shabby. Getting it in within our first stack of packs here. Very cool. Definitely excited about that one. Very good shape too. Good centering. Might be a gradable card. I'm not sure what the graded ones could go for. If you know, let me know in the comments. But definitely looks to be a really good quality card. Greg Maddux showing off his bunting abilities. Alright, we got 3 packs left, guys. We have a Nolan Ryan Baseball Heroes card. I think that's part of a subset. So that was number 14 out of 18. Nowadays they foil stamp and number cards to help you know how rare they are. Bernard Gilkey rookie card. Walt Weiss. A lot of managers or former managers now from this era, which is interesting. Players that I recognized growing up now leading teams. Second to last pack here for the video. Mark Lewis rookie card. John Erick's top prospect. Jose Akendo. Alright, we got 1 pack left, guys. We did already hit the Chipper Jones rookie card, which is outstanding. That was the rookie card we were looking for. And then Bernie Williams, another one of the top rookies. Still looking for Mike Mussina. And then that Michael Jordan baseball card, short print. And the long shot Nolan Ryan autograph would be cool to find. Mickey Morandini rookie card. Tino Martinez. This might actually be his rookie card as well. Devin White. Or Devon White, I should say. Jose Rio. Awesome picture for the Reds. And Carney Lansford. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. These are definitely probably the 2 best pulls of the pack. The Chipper Jones and the Bernie Williams rookie card. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. Hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what you think. What your favorite card was out of the opening today. And we'll be back again where we open some more packs from this box. So Thanks for joining me. Have a good night, everybody.